There's Yai, grandma that is, selling her wares on her bike. Lots of mobile shops around. Bumpy road going through the village, coming up Ponsongkram village. A few cars about, getting into the thick of the metropolis. Here we are in Ponsongkram village. We'll ride through the village itself. Soy dogs. Oi, oi, oi. Up to our new state-of-the-art flyover, which passes over our main railway line. And we've got a big new station in Ponsongkram, which is on our main train line that goes from Bangkok to Khon Kaen, up in the northeast of Thailand. One of the major cities, Khon Kaen, linking to Bangkok, the capital. So now we'll head back down the main drag into our village. So we're up to 50 kph on throttle. I'm not pedaling. 55 kph, which is about maximum speed. Nice way to finish our ride. Quick blast. Very pleasant. .48 volts left in the battery, plenty of power. Throttle off, coming near our village turn. Ponchalot School, Dodie's old school. And now we're coming up to our village turn. Our village store on the left, everything in there. Hello. Oh, just riding. And back up the road next to the reservoir to home. And here we are back home.